Why do we yawn even when we are not tired? One cool reason? It actually helps cool your brain, like a fan for your head. Yawning brings in cool air to keep your mind alert. When you are sleepy or bored, your brain slows down. Yawning helps wake it up and keep you focused. Some say it helps get more oxygen in, especially when your breathing slows down. But this theory is still debated. And here is the weirdest part. It is contagious. You yawn, I yawn. It is linked to empathy and social bonding. Even dogs yawn when their owners do. So next time you yawn, check if someone else does too. Like and subscribe for more.